What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, back in the shop. In this video, I'm going to be working on restoring Dusty's hardtop. If you don't know what Dusty or who Dusty is my 1994 OBS Ford Bronco, aka the ultimate adventure OBS project that I've been doing. It is a frame-off restoration that I've been working on over the last 8 or so months in association with Desolate Motorsports. Playlist is at the bottom. You want to go back and check out all those videos. Full frame off, full suspension, and a lot more videos to come on this particular project. But the hardtop, this hardtop again is 31 years old. It lived most of its life in Arizona, so it just has a lot of, just wear and sun burnt spots on the top of it. You can see the fiberglass kind of coming through the original finished surface. So I picked up a Raptor DIY bed liner kit off of Amazon. I actually got 2 kits that consist of 3 bottles of basically the coat and then a can of hardener. And then this is the tintable version. So my thought process is I'm going to color match as close as I can to the original gray that this thing was originally with a color that I bought online called Battleship Gray. I'm hoping that it's really close to what this was. Now, in order to do this, prep is everything. So I've already taken the top, I hit it with my sander with 80 grit sandpaper, I degreased it, I acetoned it, and then I also have adhesion promoter from Raptor Liner sprayed on it as well. Now I'm ready to actually just apply the Raptor Liner coating. Well, I forgot my tripod at the house, so this is all gonna be a very rough video, so hopefully you guys don't mind. But so this kit is pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to walk you through it anyway. The kit comes with basically the coating and then a can of hardener. So 8 ounces of this per 1 bottle of this, and then 1 pouch of color per bottle if you're going to be color tinting your Raptor Liner. So this actually has a fill line on it as well, so you can't mess it up. So basically just pour this in here like so. Boom, like that. And then pouring the pouch of color in there. According to the kit, it requires the whole pouch. The next step is to shake this aggressively for 2 minutes. Put it on your gun and start spraying. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so here's the first coat. So what the kit says to do is to flash it, which is what I did. This is 1 bottle, kind of give it all a nice light coat. Wait an hour or 60 minutes, same time frame, and then you hit it again. So again, I've never sprayed this before, and it says 40 to 60 PSI is the spraying pressure. I have it set to 58 PSI, and then I held the gun pretty far back because I wanted to try to make the surface as smooth as possible. So it's kind of as close to the OEM look that I could get it. The color so far is absolutely perfect. So again, this is Battleship Gray, which is a Velociraptor color, and absolutely loving the way it's turning out. Show you guys kind of what we're working with. I did flash it like I said a while ago. So it's got this is 1 bottle of the 4 bottle kit. I think one of these kits is meant to do a bed liner. I actually bought 2, so I got a second in case I needed more material. I don't think I will. But anyway, 1 bottle, got the whole thing flashed. I went ahead and sprayed everything around the lips, inside the window seals. Everything has got a first little bit of light, just mist over all of it. And then since then, I taped off everything because when I put my window seals back in, I want that surface as smooth as possible. That way there's no chance of water penetrating through the texture and the rubber. I don't think it'll happen, but just to be safe, taped off the window ledges, the bottom here where that rubber seal gets glued onto. Same thing back here. And then on the 3rd brake light, same thing, it's all been dusted underneath this. But went ahead and taped it off. That way when I put my 3rd brake light back on, it seals up good and tight. And then also in the window sill here. So again, it's all got a good light dust on it. And then now when I go back with the next probably 3 coats, honestly, it'll be all nice and covered. And then I think I'll probably do one final 4th like mist over the whole thing. I'll pull all the tape off and then wrap the edges one more time with a final just kind of light mist. And then that should be good to go. I'm liking the way that the texture is laying. Like I said, I held the gun probably 18 to 20 inches away from the top, and I have my air set at 58 PSI, and I'm liking the texture. So it's a more smooth versus a real gritty or sandpapery kind of feel. So I'm digging it so far, and the color is spot on, exactly what I was hoping for. It looks so close to the original opal interior. Actually, let me show you. It's really, really close. Okay, second coat, a little heavier. You can see, you know, I didn't put any Bondo or whatever to fix where the fiberglass is coming through. You know, really, technically probably should have been re-gel coated. But I figure if I just spray the top heavy enough and feather down the sides, it'll cover all that up. So this is just 2 bottles. So I'm gonna hit the top again, probably with a whole nother bottle, and then I'll just kind of hit the outsides. Honestly, I think the rest of the top is pretty solid where it's at. But I am gonna be doing the top really heavy, so that way this gets covered up. You can see the other side is pretty dang good already. It's just here, I gotta put some more material there. But I'll let that flash for another 60 minutes, and then we'll hit it again. All right, guys, man, I am so stoked with how this came out. This is the next day after spraying 5 bottles on this thing, and the Battleship Gray color is absolutely spot on, exactly what I was hoping for. Also, I apologize about the wind. It is always windy in South Texas. But look at that surface. It came out so freaking good. God, I'm so stoked about this. I'm gonna be using this stuff a lot more frequently. I already know I'm going to be. I'm just so impressed with how this turned out. The fit, finish, or not, it's just so good, man. So freaking nice. So stoked about this. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the windows put back in it, get all the seals back on it. I got all new seals for the bottom, and then I'm gonna get it mounted back up on Dusty, and then get the AC charged up today, and then get this thing out on an epic adventure.